Wonder Pond is one of the most popular spaces in the children's garden and attracts so many kids to play and splash in the water. Through that play, kids learn more about trees, nature, and the ecosystem in which the pond sits.
Because Wonder Pond is one of the most popular spots in the children's garden, we needed to expand it. So many people love to enjoy the stepping stone area of Wonder Pond that at times it could feel a little crowded or overwhelming. Thankfully, the support of the Growing Brilliantly campaign allowed us to open up that space for a more enjoyable experience for families.
The Children's Garden is a stepping stone to the rest of the Arboretum. Our youngest visitors and their families can come here and develop curiosity and a relationship to the natural world.
The Children's Garden is a place where many kids get their first introduction to trees and nature, and from there they can grow into tree champions. We are so grateful to those who supported the Growing Brilliantly campaign. Without them, none of this would be possible.